We will now hear from professionals who will provide their expertise throughout the course. They will give individual introductions along with their current role in companies.
Hi, I'm Paul Party, and currently I'm working for the SkillUp organization, helping with subject matter expertise on content development.
Hi, I'm Alison Wolford, and I'm currently working for SkillUp Technologies as a Senior Project Manager.
Hello, my name is Dan Yeomans. I'm currently employed as a subject matter expert at SkillUp Technologies.
Hi, my name is Kristen Paulson, and I'm the Director of Customer Success for SkillUp Technologies.
Hello, my name is Sasha Pass. I am a program manager with Shelter Insurance. I am in our claims technology area, assisting our claims personnel in making sure that the systems add as much value as they can.
Can you share a bit about your background, including years of experience and credentials?
I've been a certified project manager for over 25 years, and during that time I've been a program manager for several large IT projects and also change management programs.
I have over 10 years of experience in project management. I started out as a project manager. I went into business analysis, and then I went back into complex project management, and then into agile and agile program management. I have my PMP, my project management certification, as well as my PMI ACP, my agile practitioner certification.
I've worked in technology for over 30 years, spent a number of years at the Microsoft Corporation in a number of different roles, including director level project and program management.
I've been with SkillUp since 2018, and prior to that, I worked at Microsoft for 20 years. Altogether, I have about 25 years of experience as a project manager, portfolio manager, program manager, and now Director of Customer Success.
I am currently employed as an adjunct professor at Northwest University. I teach in their master's and undergraduate program, primarily project management and other business skills. I also work with Green River College, South Seattle Colleges, and Bellevue College in their continuing education program, again, focusing on project management and all the associated business skills that are associated with project management as well. I am a long-term project and product manager. I have a number of different certifications, and I look forward to sharing my ideas and my opinions with you on a variety of subjects.